सीट पर जाइए।
स्पीकर साहब, आप ऑपोजिशन के एक दो मेंबरों को एडजस्ट कर दीजिए।
Coming in from the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly, where there is ruckus against 370 abrogation. Yet again, day 4, we are seeing in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly there is ruckus yet again. A brawl had earlier broken out between the BJP MLAs and marshals of the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly on Thursday, yesterday, after the Speaker had directed eviction of opposition members who stormed the wall. Today, yet again, we are seeing a ruckus in the Assembly, and we're also seeing that the protest is also there by BJP members who protest the Article 370 ruckus continues in Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. There's a massive showdown inside Jammu and Kashmir Assembly over Article 370 resolution. And we're also hearing the uproar had earlier continued as well. Once again, we're seeing that. We can see visuals as someone is speaking, and there's also chaos once again there. The words were being stated after the passage of the resolution on Wednesday. This house has witnessed uproar as the BJP members also protested vociferously. Jammu and Kashmir Deputy Chief Minister has also moved the resolution which said this Legislative Assembly reaffirms the importance of the special status and constitutional guarantees which safeguard the identity, culture and rights of the people of Jammu and Kashmir and express concern over their unilateral removal. It said Jammu and Kashmir Assembly calls upon the government to initiate dialogue with elected representatives of the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. But I'm going to stay with those pictures. As we can see, BJP legislators are now marshalled out of the assembly. This was something we had seen earlier yesterday as well. And once again today, the breaking news that's coming in as we continue to see the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly having ruckus. Once again today, we are seeing that BJP MLAs are being marshalled out. This is massive.
जिस ऑटोनॉमी रिपोर्ट को आपने चेयर किया, अगर इस हाउस में एक्सेप्टेंसी नहीं है हमें बात रखने का, बात सुनने, फिर आप नरेंद्र मोदी पे क्या इल्जाम लगाएंगे? फिर आप दूसरे बीजेपी को बोलेंगे हंगामा, आप 3 लोग 4 लोगों की बात नहीं सुनेंगे. फिर so the point I am saying, sir, we came with a concern after last minute. We came with a concern to Honorable Chief Minister.
Please,
हमारा सर जायद साहब, आप भाई हैं हमारे, कोई बात नहीं सर. Sorry sir, जायद साहब. Our concern to the Honorable Chief Minister Umar साहब, our concern to the National Conference leadership is कि हमें लगा it's an historic session और किसी भी तरीके में कल जब कश्मीर के लोग इस डॉक्यूमेंट को, इस रेजोल्यूशन को पढ़ेंगे जिसको हम सब ने वोट किया, उनको ये ना लगे कि सेशन में खुदा ना खास्ता कत कॉम्प्रोमाइज गुमुत या बिट्रेयल गुमुत या कम पहम लिखमुत कि ज़्यादा हल असल सजेशन मे बी ऐसा को गलत मे बी, मगर गर्ज वो युति कि ये हिस्टोरिक डॉक्यूमेंट है, इसमें नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस शुड नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज. वी मे बी रॉन्ग, बट द पॉइंट इज अगर हम इतना भी नहीं बोलेंगे और फिर हम बड़ी बड़ी बातें कहेंगे. दूसरा सर, उमर साहब बाहर निकले, 2 लीडरान ने यहाँ पे बात की. एक ने जमात इस्लामिया को गद्दार, मुफ्ती साहब की क्लास बहुत
अपनी सीट पर जाइए. आपकी बात कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं होगी यहाँ से. अपनी सीट पर जाइए. प्लीज टेक योर सीट. हो गया. हो गया, आप तशरीफ रखें, आप तशरीफ रखें। इफ्तिकार साहब फ्रॉम राजौरी, इफ्तिकार साहब, इफ्तिकार साहब आप बोलिए।
अपोजिशन मेंबर जो है परासा, हम कदर करते हैं, ये हम स्टेट मेंबर हैं। मैंने कहा जमात इस्लामिया को आज इलेक्शन लड़ाने में सेंटर ने बैन की, और आज जमात इस्लामिया जो एक वक्त में यहाँ मांगते थे, ये यहाँ जमात इस्लामिया जो इनको सपोर्ट करती थी एक जमाने में, आज उन्होंने इलेक्शन लड़ा हमारे इसके लिए, क्योंकि वो सेंटर ने गद्दार किसने कहा, वाई यू आर पुटिंग, यू आर टेलिंग दैट गद्दार, नॉट मी। चार लोग हिस्सा हो गए।
खामोश रहे, नीचे बैठे आप नीचे बैठे। खुर्शीद साहब, आपने तकरीर अपनी खत्म की है। खुर्शीद साहब, प्लीज टेक वर सीट प्लीज, डोंट मेक इट अ फिश मार्केट, प्लीज टेक वर सीट, आई एम टेलिंग यू, टेक वर सीट। ये इफ्तिकार साहब बोलिए, क्या बोलना है, 2 मिनट बोलिए जल्दी, 2 मिनट में। नहीं आप
all humility, I request the leader of the house to dissolve his chair. Must have heard all the speech. We know we have challenged him. We have made through this August chair. Must have heard all the speech. We know we have challenged him. We have made a jittery start, because problems are gallows, but problems are solvable also. We have 2 agendas. One is divisive, another is inclusive. And if we are not able to take along everybody, we are disrespecting our ethos. We are here in all cooperation. In all cooperation, we are part of it. We are part of it. एक सेकंड बात करने दीजिए प्लीज, एक सेकंड बात करने दीजिए। If you don't understand, बात करने दीजिए। स्पीकर is there, don't dictate, स्पीकर is there, यार आपने स्पीकर is there, don't dictate।
निजाम साहब, आप ऐसी बच्चे नहीं, आप सुनिए, आपकी बात तो आ गई। आपको कहना चाहते हैं कॉपरेशन मिलना चाहिए, कॉपरेशन मिलेगा, तशरीफ बैठिए। आई विल एंश्योर दैट, और तशरीफ बैठिए, आप तशरीफ बैठिए। खुर्शीद साहब, बार बोलिए, खुर्शीद साहब बार बोलिए। आपने बोला, आपको मैंने 10 मिनट टाइम दे दिया, तशरीफ बैठिए, आप तशरीफ बैठिए। इसको बोलने दीजिए, नया नंबर आया है। बोलिए इफ्तिकार साहब, आप बोलिए इफ्तिकार साहब।
रिस्पेक्टेड स्पीकर साहब, मैं आपका तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि आपने मुझे मौका दिया। सर, मैं राजौरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी से आता हूँ, जो कि एक बॉर्डर डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, और लोगों ने बड़े प्यार, बड़ी उम्मीदों से वोट डाला, और बड़ी उम्मीदों से मुझे इस असेंबली में भेजा। सिर्फ मुझे ही नहीं, यहाँ जितने भी मेंबर्स यहाँ बैठे हैं, सबको बड़ी उम्मीदों से यहाँ भेजा। और जब मैं यहाँ असेंबली में आया तो मुझे एक जज्बा था, और मेरे अंदर बड़ी उम्मीद थी कि लोगों ने मुझे वोट दिया, और सबको वोट दिया, और आज मुझे उनकी आवाज़ लेकर असेंबली में जाना है और उनकी आवाज़ उठानी। लेकिन पिछले 2-3 दिन में हमने जो देखा,
इत्तेफाक से यहाँ तो ऑनरेबल एलजी साहब ने अपना खुतबा हमें सुनाया, उस पर थोड़ी सी आज डिस्कशन हो पाई, लेकिन इसके बाद जो हमारा सेशन जम्मू में लगेगा, क्योंकि वो साल का पहला सेशन होगा, उस दौरान भी ऑनरेबल एलजी साहब जो है दोबारा एक खुतबा हाउस के सामने पेश करेंगे, तो दोबारा उस पर बहस होगी। तो जो ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स, मुमकिन है कि सारे आज बोल नहीं पाएंगे, जो ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स आज के डिस्कशन में हिस्सा ले नहीं पाए क्योंकि 2-2.5 दिन हमारे ज़ाया हुए, मैं आपसे गुजारिश करूंगा प्रायोरिटी बेसिस पे जब अगली बार ऑनरेबल एलजी साहब का एड्रेस होगा, उस पर जो डिस्कशन होगा, आप उन ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स को सबसे पहले वहां एडजस्ट कर दीजिए।
डेमोक्रेसी में अपोजिशन का एक रोल होता। अगर आज अपोजिशन यहाँ उस पार्टी के एमएलए यहाँ होते और उनसे मैं कुछ सवाल करता, क्योंकि मैं जम्मू रीजन से आता हूं और उन्होंने जम्मू की बात की कि हम जम्मू की नुमाइंदगी करना चाहते हैं, मैं उनसे पूछना चाहूंगा कि जो रेजोल्यूशन मूव किया गया, क्या उनको स्टेटहुड नहीं?
We're now being told this ruckus, the legislature stormed the well of the House. Gursimran is joining us now. Gursimran, 4th day straight. Earlier today, Engineer Rashid's brother has been marshalled out. PDP brings in fresh resolution seeking restoration of 370. What is it that you are picking up with such ugly scenes in the House?
See, this time it is not the BJP legislators who are heading towards the well, but it was the PDP legislator MLA Wahidur Rahman Para who was heading towards the speaker, and he was stopped by the marshals, and then he had confrontation with the speaker because he was saying that the resolution that has been moved by the People's Democratic Party along with the Jammu and Kashmir People's Conference and also the AIP MLA Sheikh Rashid, that needs to be accepted because that is the core agenda that the people of Jammu and Kashmir wants. That was what Wahidur Rahman Para was saying, and when he tried to head towards the speaker's chair, he was stopped by the marshals, and then we saw the heated exchange of arguments as well as the ruckus being created inside the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. Today is the last day of the Assembly, and it is expected that any time now it will be declared that it will sign a die for the next session that will take place probably in the first month of 2025 in the Jammu. And Umar was also speaking the same, that those who have not spoken should be given a chance, but Umar has also taken a dig at the PDP, stating that it is only to get the attention of the centre that they are trying to bring in this kind of a resolution, because the government, as per Umar, has already brought the resolution that is needed, and that is for the expectation of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Also, Tanveer Sadiq, who is the MLA from the National Conference, has termed Wahidur Rahman Para as the RSS agent, after which we saw the verbal spat taking place between both the sides. So it is this session which is coming to an end today is completely focused on the resolutions being brought in by the first side or the other side. On the day first of the session, after the governor's address, it was Wahidur Rahman Para who brought a resolution on his own. Then the second day after the obituary, the next day, first day of the business, we saw Surinder Kumar Chaudhary, the Deputy Chief Minister of the National Conference, brought a resolution from the government side as a supplementary business, and that was passed on voice vote by the Speaker of the House, after which we saw the BJP created a ruckus yesterday. Two of the BJP MLAs got injured while they were protesting against this resolution that was brought in by the government and passed by the House on voice vote. And then a couple of minutes later, we saw another resolution being moved by the Jammu and Kashmir People Conference along with the PDP, Awami Ittihad Party. So these parties that are in the opposition, they brought, except BJP, they brought their own resolution, and they said that this is the right resolution that should be adopted, because the resolution that the National Conference has brought is mere an eyewash. So today, Wahidur Rahman Para was saying that the resolution that the PDP, JKPC and also Awami Ittihad Party has brought in, that needs to be accepted, and that led to this ruckus inside the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. And now, since some of the other MLAs are speaking, the situation has been contained for now, but we saw how the marshal, when he tried to charge towards the chair, the marshal came out in between and he was pushed back.
All right, Gursimran, thank you for those details. And viewers, let's also now go across to hear